If you could start over, what would you do differently with your business?
In the circumstances I'm in, I don't think I would change anything in the business. That's a very hard question when I think about the history of my business, which was quite young. I've only gone through the second financial year, and the first financial year was only half. So it's a very young business, and I know that I can't start over. And I'm actually happy about that, because the way timing has worked for what's required for my business, a big part of it is the emergence of AI. I wouldn't have been able to, well, actually I have experienced trying to get my business going in the first financial year and then realizing the amount of programming that I need to do. I'm a lawyer, so programming we're very, very bad at programming, but I need to learn that. And so I couldn't have started the business any earlier because I need to work on this programming. I wouldn't change the area I'm in, because I love that. And so the only thing that I would be thinking about when bringing in business, because now that I'm moving to a certain level of that, I want to know the marketability of it, is the name. And I'm working that out with a business partner at the moment on the IT side. So if there is anything that I might change, it might be on the name side, but it's not something that I would change from the past. It's something that I would think of for the future. So in terms of anything that I would change, I know that I can't change anything. In the circumstances I'm in, I don't think I would change anything in the business. I'm very, very happy, and I've got an extremely supportive first client. I would never change anything. I'm so happy.
Tell us more about yourself and your business.
So my name's Terence. I'm a superannuation trusts and commercial lawyer, and I've also worked in the fintech space, but the business is really focused on superannuation trusts and commercial on the document side rather than the litigation side. And that's because I was the director of a leading documentation legal business not too long ago. And I'm pretty much providing similar service, similar products, but in a much more enhanced way. And given the emergence of AI, I've been able to change a lot of things about the way this practice works, which makes me very, very happy and excited. And the principle behind all of that in this business, lawyers use Microsoft Word manually for just about every document, from large law firms to small law firms. There are programs that you can use, such as hot docs, but they don't provide full automation, which can lead to inefficiencies, inaccuracies, and also affect the price as well, and accessibility to the law. So in principle, my business, well, the way I want to do that, the law, is to have everything automated, everything programmed so that it's consistent every time, and I can focus on the more complex aspects of maintaining those products rather than just leaving it as a set and forget. When the client purchases and goes away with the documents, I can maintain full visibility of that. And that's also particularly more important given that the anti-money laundering regulator, AUSTRAC, will be regulating this particular type of business and lawyers and accountants from July 2026. So building the legal documents business from scratch with complete programmability would be essential to complying with these new regulations. Thank you.